Hey guys, welcome to a new SaaS landing page teardown. Today we have Correlated, which is a product that helps you go through all of your product signups and try to filter based on your own criteria which leads would be most likely to upgrade into a paid plan or even upsell them to maybe other plans and so on and so forth. So this helps you figure out what are all the ways that you can squeeze as much revenue as possible out of the signups you already have, right? So they have this headline saying turn customer data into revenue faster. That doesn't really mean much. Then they have this, I think, arcade type live demo, right? Which, like these live demos is very rare that they're actually useful because as you can see, I clicked through them. I didn't even read it. And then I don't understand stuff from the dashboard because the dashboard is not like visual enough. It's not the type of product where you can instantly see what it does, right? Then the only good things that they actually have here is that you can say that you can build your own models, but they also don't say how long does it take or where does the data come from. So can I have let's say this data from segment and then this data from mixed panel and then this data from whatever else, and then figure out based on that what is the type of lead I'm getting or the type of filter I'm getting based on all the signups I'm getting already, right? So another thing is that they show these playbooks, right? So essentially they're automations. So if this size company signs up, I'll get a notification in Slack and then maybe an email gets sent out, right? So that part is clear, but it's not clear of how many integrations they can mix together. And what I would do is instead of just showing one example, I would show a bunch of examples that sales teams use and customer support teams use in order to identify these leads, right? Because then I'm not only showing examples of automations, but I'm also showing examples of what are all the ways that I can use Correlated to make more money, to close customers, to upsell them, to cross-sell them, whatever it is, right? Then the main issue is that this page looks good on the surface, but the main thing that people actually would care about, like maybe show it right away in the hero, is that every day you open Correlated and you have this source of leads that you can go through that are like qualified based on your own criteria, right? So what you need to say is this is like the hub that has all the leads you want. So out of the thousands of signups, you're able to filter them down to the ones that are about to close. That's what people want, right? Is a way to automatically filter through these. Then you can build your own filters. So the way that Correlated filters through all the leads are based on your stuff. Then we need to show how fast you can create that. So can my sales team create those sort of filters? Can my customer success team be able to create those sort of filters? Is it that easy? Where do the inputs come from, right? How granular can I get? Can I have playbooks for my sales team, playbooks for my customer success team, playbooks for whoever else I want to use in my team to manage Correlated, right? All these questions are not really answered, right? So the more use cases we show, the more people see themselves using Correlated, the more ways they see themselves making money with Correlated. So therefore, this seems like an amazing value, right? Because if you look at their pricing, maybe you start off for free, and then you get like you get the value of the product, and you see how you're going to get a lot of money from it. But if they really want to attract these people that have 10,000 plus users every month, right? They want to attract those bigger companies or even bigger. Then they need to address this properly right away because they're going to be very concerned about how custom and how granular they can get, how many people in their team can use it, how many use cases can you use this for, like how many integrations are possible, is there anything that I can build like custom in terms of integrations or whatever, and these things are just not addressed, right? And for the type of customer that you're going to go for, which is pretty educated and probably already has some of these automations in place, unless you're just going through the free plan, then they're not going to be able to convert them as well as they should, right? So that's pretty much it for this video. Let me know what you think about this page, and if you ever tried Correlated. I think this sounds like an awesome product, but it's not as clear as it can be. And then if you're interested in seeing how I can help you improve your conversions based on just communicating the value of your product better on your website, just go ahead and go to cortez.design/apply and book a call there, or just feel free to DM me, ask any questions. Happy to see if I can help you. Cheers.